Welcome back to my world. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island and showing off my new stickers. I got the Mod Father there, and I got Miss Lisa over there, and I got my Lazy Days Ahead down there, and I got my Vineyard Chicks and Free Handling Maid and Britain Farms and Indiana. I don't have many stickers. I need more stickers. I need to get some stickers of my own so that I can exchange stickers with people. So I'm going to be doing that soon. Something else that I'm still working on that I'm going to be doing is getting to this local market, craft market, and selling some stuff. Now, with mom's surgery going so wonky and her needing to spend an extra 2 weeks in the hospital, and then just her recovering and getting to a certain level of being able to function and take care of herself, that had to be put on hold for a while, as you can imagine. So that's something that's still in the works. And then, of course, there is that super big project that I have coming up in the fall, and it'll be late fall, like think mid-December. Something for you to think about around Christmas time. So don't get too anxious. Anyway, why am I here today? Well, here to say hello to you because it's been a few days, and I've decided that I kind of like this format of being able to pop on and talk to you and say hello for a few minutes. And then in just a few minutes, I've got a couple of video clips of my garden that I'm going to show you. And then we're going to come back here and we're going to talk a little bit more. And that's going to be it for my video for today. So yeah, let's take a look at what's going on in the garden. Vineyard Dad has told me that I need to come in here and clear out some of the leaves here and give a little bit of better airflow through here for my leaves so they don't get moldy. But look at this. Look, I have grapes. I have grapes. Look at those ones there. I have grapes. I'm so excited. So that's one of my chores for today, is to come and just trim off some of these great big leaves that are shading some of the grapes. And yeah, that's what we'll do. I did what you said, Vineyard Dad. And now that you can see the grapes on my tree, I gotta say, I am just astounded by God's bounty. I am just overwhelmed with this gift, and I hope and pray that I have done what I need to do to keep it safe and healthy. Now, the one question that I have as I'm tending this, so you see all those long little starters there. Do I let them grow or do I stop them? Will they keep producing grapes, or is this my harvest here? And yeah, so what do I do about that? Anyway, let me know if you think that I've thinned it out enough. I have thinned it out considerably. I took a lot of the great big leaves off, left some of the smaller ones. And oh my gosh, just look at it from in here for a minute. Just take that all in. Amazing, isn't it? I've still got a few, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should tie these up and let them keep growing, or if I should clip them off so they stop growing. So that's my question of the day. Let me show you what else I'm super excited about. I have a melon there, and I have a melon there. You see it? I have a melon there. And if you look over here, I have a melon right there. That's 3 so far.
And I'm hoping for more, because those melons, when we had them last year, they were fabulous. And something else that I'm a little bit excited about is that my asparagus keeps sticking out. Nice little skinny asparagus stalks. I need to come and clip a few of these off and save them, since I've let so many go to seed already. Exciting things in the garden. My chamomile is about done for the season. I need to come out here and just clip it all back and let some of it go to seed. And we'll have a nice big batch again next year, which I think I might try thinning a little bit. And it might be nice if I have something to hold this up. Oh, look. Oh, did it fly away? Ladybug in the flowers. Well, that's good, because there's a bunch of aphids flying around on my lettuce. So I should come out here with some neem oil, which I will do. I do have some. I hate to spray it with anything. Look how beautiful that lettuce is. It's just starting to get kind of little heads on it.
That's about all of the excitement that I had in my garden this week. Everything else is growing just wonderfully. It is time to go and trim back my sage plants and trim back my lamb's ear, because those have finished flowering and the lamb's ear is laid flat. I'll have to show you that. I need to tie it up next year for sure. What else is going on? My onions are doing okay. My strawberries are doing much better. I'm getting to eat them now that I put the little snake in the bush. And let's see, I have some tomatoes, some little baby tomatoes on there. My cucumbers are growing. Everything looks delightful. I was chatting with MeMaw the other day, and she got a chance to try Miss Lisa's jam or jam and jelly from Lazy Days Ahead. And I'm going to leave you with that and say thanks so much for coming in and hanging out. And I will see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Wait for Mom. She's coming.
Hey, Meemaw, you can talk now.
I was going to say, wow, homemade bread toast.
Homemade bread toast, and look at what
I got the heel. That's the best.
Usually Dave.
What have you got?
I've got homemade jam.
Homemade jam.
Homemade jam from Jesse and Lisa at Lazy Days Ahead.
Really?
Yes, they sent us some jam. This one is pineapple jalapeno.
Jalapenos are going to be hot?
It's not going to be hot. It's going to be delicious. I'm just going to put a little bit on a corner of your toast.
Yeah, that corner.
And you can taste it.
Okay. Not hot, huh?
Shouldn't be hot. Is it hot?
Not yet.
Is it delicious?
Pretty good.
Pretty darn good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to try the other one?
It didn't get hot.
It is delicious.
Did you try some?
I did. I licked off the spoon. And now I'm going to put it into the other. You ready?
Mm-hmm. That looks like a berry.
This is prickly pear. Prickly pear.
It's going to hurt my mouth?
No, the prickles are gone. Yummy.
I have to chew a while.
Yeah, it's toast from homemade multigrain bread. You like it?
What did you do to deserve a gift like that?
I won a giveaway on their channel of some vinegar, or not some vinegar, some vanilla. And they threw in extras for me. I am so happy.
So you got your vanilla.
I got my vanilla. And I got jelly.
What are you going to make with your vanilla?
I don't know. I got a ton of it.
Good.
I almost said a bad word. It's a great big bottle of vanilla.
And they make this at their home?
No, it's I have to reread the label to see what country it's from, but it looks like it's in Spanish. So I don't know if it's from Mexico or... They live in Texas, so it's quite possible that it's from Mexico.
And they shipped it all the way to Canada.
And they shipped it all the way to Canada for me.
I wonder how much that cost.
How special am I?
And they didn't stop at the border.
No. And it even said on the box that it was vanilla and homemade jam. So, anyway, I'll let you eat your breakfast.
It's funny they didn't eat it at the border.
Yeah. Say goodbye to your lovely followers.
Bye, wash me chew.